Hi, this is Basti here. Hope you and your loved ones are safe and healthy in these testing times. I'm going to take 5 minutes of your time to share an important milestone. As you can see, Scribble Talk Fun Festival begins September 4th. Why? Because Scribble Talk officially entered top 10% podcasts in Apple Podcast. What started as a passion drive from me to document APMP history and the veterans and their stories with my very best friend Ashley Case, who has given close to 150 hours of her life in this journey, documenting the story with me. We have attained this milestone, and I thought I need to share that with you and also take this opportunity to rewind, go back, and have a throwback session with the Fun Festival where you can listen every single episode because we will be dedicating one web page for every guest so you could ask questions. You could even post comments about what's one thing that you learned from that episode, what questions do you have for the guest, and more. You can vote for them to come back to season two, which is a surprise. I will let you know at the end of this conversation. So that's Scribble Talk Fun Festival. Begins September 4th, Friday, and we'll continue to share the guests who have attended in Scribble Talk for the past 5 months. That's 60 odd episodes. We will continue to post our new guests as we speak in the next week as well. So, Scribble Talk Fun Festival begins Friday. Is that it? Nope. I take this opportunity to sincerely thank, firstly, my late mentor, Howard Nutt. If Howard didn't share Ali Paskin's three articles on APMP history, and if it wasn't Ali who hasn't documented the APMP history, this Scribble Talk would not be possible. So, Ali and Howard, thank you. Then my mom and dad, I call them mom and dad, Tony Birch and Kathy Day, for joining as guest number two and guest number three without thinking, I just wanted to be part of this, Pascal. You are always part of the family. That's it. Thank you for sharing the love, Tony and Kathy. It's episode two and episode three. Then through Ashley, Eric Grigory came on board. I was all stuck with Eric's magnanimity, as they say. Thank you, Eric, for joining. Then we had Betsy Blakeney, Kirsty Webb, Christine Dufferin. Then we had Mike Parkinson, Colin Journey. The first 8 episodes predominantly set the foundation of what Scribble Talk is going to be. And every single guest from 8 to 20 came through the referrals from the first 8 guests. You told us who we need to reach out. And from then on, it's a springboard that happened. Many of the guests I just met you or heard you or saw you for the very first time in Scribble Talk. And today, as you know, we became very, very close friends. As when I say close friends, Sam Ensland is my best buddy now. Sam, you know what? Thank you, Sam, for everything that you have done, including, this is the exclusive, including coming out with the idea of Scribble Talk Deep Dive, where I'm pretty happy that you'll be joining me and Ashley as co-host the Scribble Talk Deep Dive, where we'll be bringing one expert, 30 minutes, one topic, questions from you. The season will begin shortly, but I thought I'll announce that. So, Sam, thank you for that. Then we have very strong advocates of Scribble Talk, as you can see, from the likes of John Williams, PJ Lowney, David Ball, David Sotlango, Dick Eason, Larry Newman, Randy Richter, Ajay Patel, Jeff Leitner, Robin Davis, Kevin Swatai, Jamie Nineman. You know what? Thank you so much, guys. You believed in Scribble Talk and shared the message. Together we are here. Thank you so much. If I missed any name, I'm really sorry, but I just thought these names quickly came on my mind. So thank you so much. Let alone then we had the APMP board joining us from episode 50 with Mike Walsh, Christine McAbagal, the current chair and the future chair. Then we had past chair Ginny Carson, and Rick himself came and showcasing why we love him. You know what, Rick, thank you for being our cool whip. And thank you for announcing that exclusive announcement in Scribble Talk. If you haven't listened, please go listen. Greg has some big plans. So thank you to our APMP community. Thank you to our friends. We are here. Scribble Talk Fun Festival begins September 4th, which is Friday. And we'll be showcasing all of our previous guests as we continue to add more and more episodes. And I'm pleased to say Scribble Talk Deep Dive also begins with Sam Enslen as the co-host, where we're bringing in experts to talk about one topic, to dwell deep on that one topic, and to know what's working. It begins there. As you know, there is a lot of effort that goes into putting a podcast. I wasn't aware. I didn't even know. I just had a thought, let's go for that. So there's a cost of coordinating, recording, hosting, publishing, you name it, editing. So we are also launching Scribble Talk sponsored series, and I'm really blessed to have SMA with Ajay and Jacques and Dick coming out as our sponsors for Scribble Talk SMA exclusive, which is a series of podcasts showcasing exactly the same thing, human leadership stories specifically for SMA colleagues who have made an impact in the industry. So Scribble Talk SMA exclusive also begins this month. So for Fun Festival, Scribble Talk will continue as it is. Then we have Deep Dive. Then we have the sponsored series. With all your love and support, we'll continue to progress. Thank you so much for everything. Take good care of yourself. Stay healthy. Take care.